Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did make a pretty good push up today. The trend is up on all the higher time frames, so going long today would have definitely been my go-to. We just recently had a breaker structure to the downside. We had a Powell speech this afternoon. Now, especially looking at correlated dollar pairs, most of these actually look like 1, 2, 3 waves up, and they actually went right around the 138% Fibonacci extension of the corrective wave down. That makes me think that we're actually looking at some sort of a flat, like a running flat or an expanding flat. Like this is a wave A, this is an expanding flat wave B, or running flat wave B. And if it's a running flat, then it definitely would go down, make a higher low, and then go back up. If it is actually an expanding flat, the most likely territory is the 161, 178. If it goes down there, makes that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 state, makes a breaker structure to the upside, that would be an amazing end of an ABC correction and the continuation of the uptrend. So now that we got the breaker structure, long story short, if you are a short time frame trader, you could definitely be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. If not, then definitely keep an eye on this 161, 178 area for a possible expanding flat entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.